Welcome back to You're Starting It Wrong. It's day 4 of the Disney Kitchen, and we have lots of new ideas, which I am super excited about. And we're gonna spin the wheel. We're making cake pops! Okay, this was suggested by Eli from Indiana. Thank you so much, Eli, and I hope you enjoy these cake pops. This is Alex. He's going to be helping me bake today. He's not actually this short. He's just leaning over. Today, we're going to make cake pops. I know that's one of your favorite things. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay. This is leftover cake. And we're going to start by putting it in this bowl. Choose your weapon. Oh.
Catapulting the cake.
Wow, we have a lot more cake than I thought.
It's like a whole cake.
Yeah. So now we just like crumble it up.
With the fork?
I guess.
Break it up. So are we returning this to batter form, or how crumbly do we want it?
Just like crumbling, no big chunks, but like before I put the cake in the oven, it was like liquidy, like chocolate syrup. Yeah, it was, probably would have been good on some ice cream. Hi, we're mixing. Wow, this is taking a long time.
It looks kind of like dirt.
Dirt. Do you think it's good enough?
I think so. It's pretty broken up.
Yes. Success.
Judy is hard.
Yeah. Oh wow, it's really hard.
Here we have fresh candle wax.
It's black because I dyed it gray for the Millennium Falcon. We have a lot left over. Wait, I just said it's black because I dyed it gray. Which one is it?
Yeah, it's softening up.
Okay, we're gonna add like 2 spoonfuls, or I guess like spatulafuls.
Spatula fool.
You're the fool.
You want to grab a handful?
Wait, I'll use a cookie scoop.
Ooh, that's clever.
Yeah, that way we can get an even amount. Oh. I think it's too crumbly still.
All right, let's see how clumpy it is. A gift for you.
Whoa. I think it's good. It's definitely sticking together now.
Okay.
Perfect. Now I'm just gonna make a lot of these. But will it stick?
Toothpick?
I don't wanna, yeah, I don't wanna like get the toothpick when I'm trying to eat it.
They aren't raw, right? We can just eat cake balls.
Oh, no, they're not raw at all. Cooked cake and frosting. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. I think we're gonna have to shape them. Wow, you're good at that. What? Okay, time to test it.
Taste test.
Not yet. Stick in the chocolate. Ooh, where do we put it? In the top?
Yeah, I think through.
Okay. Now I stick in the... Okay, it looks good. And now we have to let it sit there to like let the chocolate set so that it stays on the stick. Okay, Alex.
This is our template here.
How's your Mickey looking?
A little round right now.
Oh, a circle.
Yep, a circle. We'll get it hammered out. I was worried about us having enough icing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Try it. Try it.
Mmm.
Good? It's like, because I'm stabbing it with a chocolate stick and then sticking it in the middle, it's like it's chocolate filled. Okay, it's not too heavy. We should stick them in the freezer to let the chocolate set.
That's when the spicy meatball.
It's very smooth. I like it.
Smooth, right?
Yes, I like it smooth. So 7 tablespoons of melted butter and 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. I actually also put a splash of milk in there. I don't think that helped.
I've done this before, so I'm just guessing.
Okay, let me scooch these back. Give them lots of space.
We don't want them to grow into each
This
other.
Mickey, he fell. The fallen Mickeys. Now, let's see, dipping it in,
Hopefully it comes back out.
pouring it out.
Wow.
Wow, so professional. You dropped it. Get it back. Get it back. Oh no.
Where do you think you're going,
Oh
buddy?
no. Oh no.
Chocolate covered stick. We're gonna have to get some more serious retrieval methods.
Well, we made one Mickey one. Ta-da! It's so cute.
Yeah, this first one.
Okay, I'll take yours and you take mine.
Okay.
We're going to try them. Cheers.
Very rich.
Chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
It's so much chocolate. Again, I love chocolate. I think. You done?
Yep, I think everything worked out well.
We forgot the salt. Here, just pour some in your hand first. And we're done. Here's our beautiful Mickey cake pop that Alex handcrafted.
Hand molded.
Yeah.
I want to say thanks to Ella, Edwin, and Eli from Indiana.
Thanks so much for baking with me. Let me know if you ever try to make cake pops or Mickey cake pops or any cake pops and how they turned out. And I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong. Bye.
Yeah. Welcome to my channel. This is You're Stirring It Wrong, and I'm Haley. Can we give a shout out at the end of the video?
To whom?
To some of my friends, to 3 little friends who suggested I come on here.
Oh, per se who you were.
Who is this guy?
Here. I didn't get any out. I'm scared it's gonna fall off. Go on, You're Stirring It Wrong.
What do I do with my hand?
You can do whatever you want. You pick me up and throw me. Okay. You're Stirring It Wrong.
You're stirring it. All right, you want to try it again?
Sure.
I thought because we're stirring it wrong, but it's called your. All right.
Hey there, Alex. What are you doing?
Caught me getting a midnight snack or something.
Is that sriracha?
Nah, it's just a little something I whipped up.
With your cake ball? Oh, gross. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.